Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. Hydrogen fuel cells are a type of electrochemical cell that convert the chemical energy stored in hydrogen gas into electricity and heat through a process called electrochemical reaction. These cells consist of an anode, negative electrode, a cathode, positive electrode, and an electrolyte, which allows the movement of ions. When hydrogen gas is supplied to the anode and oxygen or air is supplied to the cathode, the following reactions occur. At the anode, 2H right pointing arrow 4H plus 4E. At the cathode, O plus 4H plus 4E right pointing arrow 2 hydrogen oxide. These reactions result in the production of electricity, heat, and water as the only byproduct. The electricity generated can be used to power various electric devices, such as vehicles, industrial machinery, or even homes. Here are some key points about hydrogen fuel cells. Clean energy. Hydrogen fuel cells are considered a clean energy source because the only byproduct is water vapor. This makes them an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional fossil fuels. Applications. Hydrogen fuel cells have a wide range of applications, including fuel cell vehicles, FCVs, stationary power generation, backup power systems, and more. Efficiency. Fuel cells are highly efficient, often more so than internal combustion engines. They can convert a higher percentage of the energy in hydrogen into electricity. Challenges. There are several challenges associated with hydrogen fuel cells, including hydrogen production and storage, distribution infrastructure, and cost. Producing and storing hydrogen can be energy intensive, and the infrastructure for hydrogen distribution is still underdeveloped in many regions. Types of fuel cells. There are various types of fuel cells, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Common types include proton exchange membrane fuel cells, PEMFCs, solid oxide fuel cells, SOFCs, and alkaline fuel cells, AFCs. Fuel source. Hydrogen is the most common fuel source for fuel cells, but other fuels, such as natural gas and methanol, can be used in certain types of fuel cells. Research and development. Ongoing research is focused on improving the efficiency and durability of fuel cells, as well as finding more sustainable and cost-effective methods for hydrogen production. Hydrogen fuel cells have the potential to play a significant role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and transitioning to a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. However, their widespread adoption still faces challenges related to infrastructure, cost, and technological advancements. Hydrogen fuel cells are electrochemical devices that convert the chemical energy of hydrogen and oxygen into electricity, producing only water and heat as byproducts. They are highly efficient and clean, making them an attractive alternative to traditional fossil fuel-based energy sources. Hydrogen fuel cells work by passing hydrogen gas over an anode catalyst, which splits the hydrogen molecules into protons and electrons. The protons pass through a selectively permeable membrane to the cathode, while the electrons flow through an external circuit, creating a flow of electricity. At the cathode, the protons and electrons combine with oxygen from the air to form water. Hydrogen fuel cells can be used in a variety of applications, including transportation. Hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles, FCEVs, are becoming increasingly popular, as they offer a number of advantages over traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, including longer driving ranges, faster refueling times, and zero emissions. Stationary power generation. Hydrogen fuel cells can be used to generate electricity for homes, businesses, and other facilities. They can also be used to provide backup power during outages. Portable power. Hydrogen fuel cells can be used to power a variety of portable devices, such as laptops, smartphones, and tools. Hydrogen fuel cells are still a relatively new technology, but they have the potential to revolutionize the way we generate and use energy. They are clean, efficient, and versatile, and they can be used in a wide range of applications. Benefits of hydrogen fuel cells. Clean. Hydrogen fuel cells produce only water and heat as byproducts, making them a zero-emission energy technology. Efficient. Hydrogen fuel cells are very efficient at converting the chemical energy of hydrogen into electricity. Versatile. Hydrogen fuel cells can be used in a wide range of applications, including transportation, stationary power generation, and portable power. Challenges of hydrogen fuel cells. Cost. Hydrogen fuel cells are currently more expensive than other energy technologies, such as batteries and internal combustion engines. Infrastructure. There is currently a limited network of hydrogen refueling stations, which can make it difficult to own and operate a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle. Production. Hydrogen is not found naturally in the environment, so it must be produced. This process can be energy-intensive and carbon-intensive, depending on the production method used. Despite these challenges, hydrogen fuel cells have the potential to play a significant role in the transition to a clean energy future. Dear friend, I hope you benefited from the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.